All right, Cal. We got the plan. I'm going to use some 4x4 timbers. Make a trellis. We'll make a trellis, either TP style or some type of square. Not sure yet. We're going to cover it 3 to 4 sides with chicken wire, heavy gauge. Making sure you can't get pricked from any of the edges, of course. And then we're gonna plant climbing flowers. You got it? Remember these. Remember all these climbing flowers. We gotta get them. We have we have a few of these already. We have the mini pumpkins, strawberries, and I think we have watermelon already. So you'll have a nice big magical forest of fruit and flowers. See, trellis. Kids can play underneath the trellis. Have a fort. Hang out with hummingbirds and bees and butterflies. Sound good, Callie? Sounds good.